going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be unboxing my brand new Apple Card. As you guys may have seen the title, this is a very exciting step. As you can see, it has that nice Apple-esque packaging to it. And there she is. That is the card itself, you guys. And I'm going to show you guys how I activate it. Alright guys, with my phone in hand here, this is how you guys activate the Apple Card. You just touch it like that, and then you get your information. And then perfect, just like that, the card is activated. If you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.